Yo, good morning, Wincrease team. It is October 24th, 2020, and the fourth trading week of October has finally concluded. The market has closed at 34.65.39. So let's hop into the analysis for the S&P, see where we are at. Now, last week we were looking at things, and I had mentioned that I saw a cup and handle pattern. This is on the daily, and that the market could potentially continue to go higher, and ultimately it would push towards 4,000. So for this week, we had pretty much a mute trading week where things kind of went lower and then they pushed back higher towards the end of the week. And we ended up closing towards our highs, making an inverted hammer candle for the fourth week of October. So things are looking still pretty good. There's nothing changing from my outlook where I think the market will continue to push higher. This week, everything pushed off of its moving averages, as you can see here, and looks like it's business as usual. A lot of people are talking about, the election, all that type of stuff. Personally, I don't think the market cares anything about that. Price rules everything. So right now, until you see any signals of a move lower, stick to it. So let's take a look at how the Russell is looking. So the Russell, my analysis from last week was that this will continue to push higher and it would get to 170 and above. So right now things are looking pretty good where we have a flag that's forming, and we should be able to get to 170. It should be able to test its highs, and from there I think it'll continue on. So I'm looking for the market to continue to be bullish. We should probably close at the end of the year near these highs, and I see no hiccups right now. So that's my analysis, and that is it. Until next week, y'all make sure to catch every single week Marathon Money. My future podcast is in development, and I will let you know when that date has come. And make sure you have any questions to hit me up at wincrease20@gmail.com. Or you can hit me, that's on Twitter, that's Facebook, that's Stock Twits, YouTube, everywhere, Wincrease Team. So until then, y'all check me later. Peace.